1 Minute English.
In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the future continuous. The future continuous is used for an action that will happen at a certain time. For the future continuous, we use someone or something plus will and an action with ing. For example, Steve just woke up. At 9 a.m., Steve will be getting the bus to work. At 7 p.m., he will be working out in the gym. At 11:15, he will be sleeping. The future continuous is usually used for a planned action in the future. For example, the family have booked their tickets. They will be enjoying their summer holiday on the beach. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.